Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this bearded dragon ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Farmers Market update. Okay, let's get started. Finally, I could unlock this pet, guys. And if you want to get this pet, you need to have the gem chest. And you can join this trader event if you want to get the gem chest. Okay, and let me show you the trade rewards. Okay, and at least you need to have streak 4 to get the gem chest. And you will have only oops, wait. I'm going to tap on the gem chest. Okay, you will have 1% chance or 1% possibility to get this bearded dragon. And I'm so lucky because I could get this bearded dragon, and let's put this bearded dragon in my garden, and let's see the ability of this pet, guys. Okay, every 40 minutes consumes all fruits on a plant that is defined rarity and above, and grants a random egg from the egg shop. Ignores plants with vibrated fruit. So yeah, it can give you a random egg from the egg shop, and if you're lucky, it can give you maybe mythical egg or paradise egg, or yeah, and it's defined pet. But you will need to have defined plants in your garden so it can work. And yeah, this is the OP. It's really worth to keep in your garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the bearded dragon pet and grow a garden game of Roblox Farmers Market update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!